So guys, I'm right here. I've just entered the Paradise Lost. I'm just inside the Paradise Lost, and I just paid, how much is this? I just paid 500 shillings. You can see the list is right here. You pay 500 shillings, and there is a fishing, some of the activity that you can do here. There is fishing, there is ostrich feeding, there is horse ride for 300 shillings, there is bird watching, there is kuku and nyama choma, stuff that you can eat here. There is boat ride going for 400 shillings, motorboat 700 shillings, there's zip lining for 1000, goes for, you have to pay 1500, to mention a few. So folks, this is a view just a few meters from the entrance, and this is the view. So guys, also you can mean to ride horses while you're here. I hope you can see there is a horse right here. I'm almost there. Then there's some garden here. They're growing these onions or something. This could be fruit. I don't know what kind of fruits, rather flowers. I don't know what kind of flowers are there, man. So guys, here's the horse. I think if you want to ride the horse, you pay at least, I think 200 shillings. I think I got to check in my receipt here. I paid. Horse riding, it goes for 300 shillings. You pay 300 shillings, and then you get to ride the horse. Alright. And then for kids, man, you know, today is also on Saturday. Now for kids, this is their place, man, where they have fun. There's some of these freaking games that kids play, you know, riding here and there. So here we go. There is some sand pit down here. They play in the sand. They can play all those type of games. So this is how the place looks like. So guys, this is it. You can see they're planting some grass here. I think it's a very nice view if you ask me. So fair going. So folks, there are also stretches here. So guys, I'm heading to the caves, and you can see on these what is written here. There's Paradise Lost, there's Old Stone Age Caves, there is waterfall, there's boat riding, and also there's some cafe here where you can get some dishes, man. You can get something to eat at least. So let me head to the caves to see let's get to see what this place has in store for us. I'm heading to the caves right now. Heading to the caves. So guys, right now I'm heading to the caves, and for you to get there you have to pay at least 400 shillings, and also at the entrance there you have to pay 500 shillings. So guys, when you're coming here, you must be armed with money. If you don't have some good money, my guy, just chill in your crib. Alright, here we go. You can see there's some paybill number here which you can pay through. Na mbona hamna till number?
Kwa Waterfalls anachukua torch atakuja atakusaidia kuingia kwa hiyo.
Atanipatia torch?
Ameenda kuchukua torch. So naenda kwa Waterfalls kuchukua ndio.
Oh, niteremke saa hiyo? Good, thank you. So you guy, my guy, I'm heading to the caves and I just paid 400 shillings. I'm told that one of the tour guides here, the guide here is going to get a torch, because when you're heading to the cave, apparently you need a torch so that you can get to see everything. All right. Oh my God, I've never been to this kind of places. All right. And here also remember the caves, the waterfalls. I hope from here you can be able to see the waterfall, the water falling from some sort of a cliff. I don't know if there's some sort of a natural waterfall or is it just artificial, because I've been to a couple of waterfalls, man. In Karura Forest there is a waterfall. Also there's the biggest one, I think, in the whole of Africa, the so-called 14 falls. Have been there. You can actually, I did a video when I went there. So this is it. Let me head here, get to see. Oh my God, I'm freaking out. Good heavens. Alright. Alright. I hope I don't find the apes here. Oh my God. Let's see, on top of me, what is it? Some water dripping. Good heavens. It's a cool place, man. Hey, I'm telling you, it's way even better when you're a group or you come with your friends. But for me, you can see I'm all alone. I'm one-man army. One-man army. I'm a loner who doesn't belong to anyone. Alright, see. Oh my God, what a view. And the weather today is a little bit foggy. There's no... Yes, it's chilly. Right now it's around 11 p.m. I literally like I should take up myself in the... You know. Or maybe take a bath or something. So you guys, my guy, this is how the place looks like. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. Beautiful waterfalls, man. I think for those guys who like meditating, this is the place to be. Or you can come with your friends and then that place for just having a good time, for picnics, carry a snack next time, man. You can see, my God, this place actually, this guy did clean this place. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This place is freaking. Oh my God, I can't dare go there. Hey, I can't go there. Let me just mean to go back. You can see the view from here. This is the side of the... I don't know if these are the caves. Let me look for the tour guide here to give me, to direct me to where the caves are, man, because apparently I don't think I'm safe anymore. You can see literally I'm in a cave, man. Oh my God. I need to go back, man. I can't stand this. I just need to go back, man. Let me look for this job. I know where he disappeared to. I think from here now you can see the waterfalls pretty well. It's an amazing view, man, I'm telling you. So I've told you, you need to pay at least 400 shillings to get here. Now you can see where the water is falling from. These so-called Mau Mau Stone Age caves. Man, let me go get the tour guide to direct me here, because where this place is scaring the hell out of me. So let me take a walk down here. Let me see what is down here. I hope I don't find snakes here, man, because oh my god, I'm snake phobic. Animal phobic, if such a word exists. I'm animal phobic. Alright, I think from here now you can see a good view of this waterfall. So what a beautiful place, man. Alright. You can see now there's also a stream down here. The waterfalls, it forms like a stream, a small stream down here. You can see the water is falling, and then I'm pretty sure down here there is some sort of a small lake. Let me call it a pond. I think it's a dam, right? It's a dam. You can see the stream. Then on the other side is a dam. So guys, let me go meet my tour guide. Now he has come with a torch, because when you're heading to the caves, apparently with your just naked eyes, because it's dark inside there, you can see nothing, I'm telling you. Oh my god. Well, this place is privately owned, so I don't know who the owner of this place, but nimekuwa nikikutafuta. Umeendea pesa? Oh, torch. Tutaenda na wewe, si ndio? Mimi naogopa. Tunaenda aje? Hatutapata wanyama huko ndani. Mimi naogopa wanyama, nakwambia. Na ukipata hii mawe inaanguka kutoka hapa juu, tunaweza fanya aje? Na nikuulize, 2.5 million ama billion? Ala? Wewe ni archaeologist chini ya maji, si ndio? Oh my god. So now we're heading to the caves. Kai. Si sasa unaweza nipatia torch moja ama? Hey, utanikuja. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sasa nikuulize, nani alitengeneza hizi caves ama ni zenyewe?
Kuna mahali kama hapa ni watu wanatengeneza. Hii imechimbwa. Lakini tukifika huko ndani. Ndani tofauti.
Ndani ni kubaya zaidi.
Hapa ndani ni kama ni Mungu anatengeneza.
Ni Mungu? Kai. Ni kilomita ngapi kutoka huko? Hapa ndio mwisho. Kai. Na tukikosa hewa ya kubreathe. Hey. Unasema hii mawe hizi anguka? Hapa ni all stone age caves. Hey, evolution apparently is real.
Nitakupiga picha hapa.
Unipige picha? Itaonekana.
Si simu yako iko na flash? Weka. Ona vile itatoka.
I've never been to this kind of a place, man. Nishike tochi yangu. Sasa tunaenda aje?
Pale tupande hivi. Kodi kienda kwenye.
Good. Kai. Tena bado tunaendelea na huku ndani?
Mwisho ni huko.
Hapa? Hatuendili kutoka hapa?
Tusonge sasa.
Sasa nikuulize. Na huku ndani kunaenda hadi wapi?
Hakuendi mbali. So ingia tu hapo, pasonga tu hapo.
Kai, sijaingia. Ni hadi hapo. Sasa unataka kuniambia place hii mtu alikuwa anachimba chimba? Ni yenyewe ilikuwa hivyo?
Wamekuta hapa, hata wamekuta pia.
Ikiwa hivyo?
Wewe niambie nani angepanda huko juu?
Kuchimba chimba.
Na vitu ya kuchimba.
Kwani kitambo walikuwa kwani?
Unajua kitambo hakuwa na mambo ya chuma.
Walikuwa wanatumia ma iron tools, lakini unajua kuna stage fulani. Okay. Hii ndio ilikuwa bedroom ya during Stone Age periods. Hii ni Middle Stone Age. Kai, sasa huko ndo walikuwa wanajificha wanalala, si ndio?
Nafanya mikutano yao hapo.
Home erectors. Now we're going back, eh? Sasa tumemaliza.
Maliza na zilikuwa vile pia hapo, nilikuwa nakaa hapo.
Sasa usifinye mahali. Sawa. Na huku situmulike huko ndani tuone. Huko ndani. Okay. Sasa turudi, si ndio? Ina record, si ndio? Okay. Hadi nimesahau niko na torch. Lakini ni how many meters from huko nje?
Kama 50.
50 meters.
Okota tu. Ni moja tu.
Hata sasa tukitia hapa. Ndio tani. Thank you. Mtu analipa how much?
Kuna 400 na kuna 700. Motorboat 7. Hii ingine tena dogo ni 400. Ile inajipeleka.
Lakini mmeongeza bei, haikuanga hiyo, si ndio? Nimeangalia hata kwa website.
Kutoka wakati wa corona. Waliongeza hapo. Waliongeza kwa
2019.
Kama hajabadilisha. Kama unajua kupita forest utapitia hapo.
Lakini sijaingia place kama hii. Umeniambia nikipitia hii route naenda hadi wapi?
Forest inatokea huko chini.
Forest yenyewe. Sitapotea. Nitarudi hivi bado. Ama nitumie ile route kwa pale.
Hiyo mama alikuwa anapitia hapo. Natoka huko.
Niende hivi.
Niende hivi natoka. Kwanza unajua hapa ni forest.
Aya, asante. Wacha tu niangalie. Sasa inaitwa forest gani? Inaitwa Paradise Lost Forest. Aya, asante. Sawa. Hey, you guys. I'm telling you. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. Like, you literally have to walk. can see the kind of things we go through to bring you some of these videos, guys. It takes a lot to be a YouTuber and a vlogger at the same time, man. You can see. You can see inside there are caves now. That place is freaking scary. Oh my god, I've never been to such kind of a place. I thought there we'll find the apes, but apparently there is none there. The homes of early hominids. I'm telling you. Guys, if you ever get to see this video, kindly give it a like, because oh my god, I just hope, and also you get to subscribe. I just hope I won't find I just hope that I won't find snakes and animals here. Hey, this place reminds me of Karura Forest, man. I'm telling you. At least Karura Forest, you only pay 100 shillings and then that is it. And then from there, you just walk. In Karura Forest also, there is a waterfall. There is bike riding. There is a river cafe somewhere, a place where you can eat. Where you can, also a place which is called for picnics, you know. For those of you who are in love, you can go there with your partner, or rather you with your lover. You go have fun. Hey man, I can't dare go there. I can't dare go there. I can't dare go there, man. You can go to Karura Forest and have fun. Also, you can come to Paradise Lost, Kiambu. It is in Kiambu County. And then you can have fun, man. I've told you the entrance fee to come to the waterfalls. Oh my god. The entrance fee to come to get to see the waterfalls and the caves is 400 shillings. And also at the gate now, you also have to pay 500 shillings. But initially it was around 300, but due to Corona and this inflation thing, they had to hike the price, you know. Now you can tell the prices of everything has skyrocketed, so we understand. So this is the view. Okay. And this takes a lot to walk here alone. Man, I'm scared of this thing called forest and animals. Have some phobia, strong one. Oh, even if, oh my god, I just hope. Good heavens. Hey, but I think you shouldn't come here alone, because what if shit happens? What if shit happens, man? It's a very thick forest, man. I'm surrounded by trees. Oh, these are trees and forests. I don't know, man. I'm deep inside the forest and I'm walking confidently, man. Good heavens. Hey, now here you need to pray, man. When you get inside this thick forest, if you're wise, you have to pray. Because, man, shit happens and hey, good heaven. I think I should time to go back. Oh no, must be freaking kidding. Oh my god. Literally, because I'm tall, I just have to. Oh my god. You know, I hope there's some sort of a pond here. I don't know if it's a lake or something. Oh, I'm almost there. Oh, thank God. Hey, I'm like, hey, guys, for those of you who are planning to come to this place next time, please, come with your friends, man. Come with your friends. But now that me, I'm alone, who doesn't belong to anyone, I can come to this place all by myself, and I don't fear anybody anymore. Just because I got here now, I'm like, you can't do me nothing. You freaking animals, you can't do me nothing. What do you think you can do me? Don't give a damn about you. Here we go. I think here now, if I had come with the snacks, man, and I will be just sit here and enjoy my snacks. But now, oh my God, I'm from town, and I just thought it's way better if I come, we pass through this area. I think is one of the best places to visit when you're in Nairobi. I think these are picnic tables. If you have some snacks, drinks, the sort of beverages, you can, yeah, you can come and have fun, man. So these are the place looks like. Oh my God! Next time I'm coming to this place, I must come with friends, man, so that we can have a good time together. So this is it. On the other side, I just hope those are not crocodiles, man. Also, crocodiles scare the hell out of me. So, go people, as you can see, this is it. I managed to make it to this place. It wasn't easy. I swear, I ain't gonna lie. It's not easy walking inside that thick forest, man. Any slight movement and I'm like, oh, let me get to see what the heck is going on, man. You know? Right. So, folks, this is it. You can see here, I don't know what's going. So, folks, when you're around, there's also zip lining, and also there's a dam, there's boat riding, and also there's zip lining. You can see that there's a line there. So it starts all the way from the other end. I hope, let me try to zoom. It starts all the way from there to all the way to this other place. And the cost of us, it's 1,500 per person. So if you're planning to come here with your two guys, then be prepared to part with 3,000 shillings. And also this boat riding, it goes for, you have to pay close to 400 shillings. And also there is a motorboat and then you have to pay for motorboat, you pay 700 shillings. So guys, that is it. Route intend hadi the other side, si ndio? Okay. So folks, here is the dam. Oh my goodness, for those guys who likes meditating, the Rastafarian guys, you should just come here. Just sit here and meditate. You just have a good time, man. I've asked and I'm told that this dam is not too deep. So even if shit was to happen, when let's say you are riding the boat and then, and then to develop a technical, or for example, if you're riding a fault boat, then these guys, of course, they can rescue you. They can come to salvage you, my guy. So you don't fear that you're gonna die or something. There are also professional divers here. So if anything happens, they'll come to your rescue, right? All right, then I'm going back to where the zip lining starts. You understand? I've told you guys, for zip lining, you part with clean, how much? 1,500 shillings per person, all right? And then you come all the way from the other side to this other side, and then you go back. So I asked one of the guys who work here, and that is what I've been told. So folks, that is it. Now I'm heading to where zip lining starts. So this is the forest walk. Oh my God, get to see my shoes. Get to see my shoes, man. Get to see my shoes, man. I think here you should wear special shoes when you're coming to this place, because otherwise, hey, you won't like it. Just see how my shoe look like. My original Louis Vuitton shoe. Oh my God. All right, now I'm heading back, my guy. I'm heading back to, not really, no, I'm not heading back, but I'm going to where zip lining starts, right? So this is the view. This is the view. It's too much walking here. So actually, I don't know, you should wear hiking shoes or something. Yeah, I think if you carry your hiking shoes, they will do you justice while here. For these other shoes, these other sneakers or sport shoes, I don't think they're gonna do you good, I'm telling you. So too much walking, folks. Too much walking, folks. Here is a thick forest. It's good to see thick forest. Forest, man. Traversing all these vast area. This is the stream I was telling you about from the waterfall. That water comes all the way, join this stream here. It forms a stream actually. There's no stream. So once the water falls, it flows down, down. You see? Down all the way to the dam. Now you could be wondering, maybe at some point this dam will will get full and then the water will overflow. I don't know. Oh my god, I don't have an answer to that question. I hope also that it is the way it's coming in is the way it's getting out, yeah? Be to balance the question. Man, nature has answers to question, I'm telling you. Alright, there's another Karuchi. If I'm going back, then I'll use this route. But for now, let me head to boat riding, my guys. I'm telling you. I've been to places, man. Please, kindly, if you're watching this video, my guy, the best thing you can ever do me, the little favor that I'm asking from you, man, get to subscribe, like this video, share. Only there. So I'm heading to zip lining, where also there's boat riding and such kind of stuff. Alright. So guys, that is it. Let me come to this other area. So for picnic and stuff, my guys, this is the place that you should come with your friends and with your families and stuff. You can see the picnic tables all over the place. You can have a good time, and if you carry your snack, actually if you want to cook something, you can also mean to carry your jiko, and then you carry utensils, all those food that you want to cook, raw stuff that you want to cook, and then you bring them here, and then you can cook and then eat. And actually, man, you can have all sorts of fun while here. So this is a dam, guys. Don't confuse, it's not a lake, it's a dam. There's a very big difference between a dam, there's a lake. So guys, this is the view. So guys, you can see there are lots of picnic tables around, places where if you carry your stuff you can eat from, so you have a good time. So this is it, guys. Actually, there's also a bar where they sell drinks, those hard ones, liquor, alcohol. They sell alcohol here. You can see over there the washrooms, the washroom on the other end. And then now I'm heading to where the ostriches are. They also have ostriches around. So this is a very vast area, like it can accommodate so many people, like I would say thousands of people actually. But now for those who are going to sit on these picnic tables, of course there are not that many, because there are also many though. You can see all the way, all the way, all the way. There's so many, these shades, there's so many. You can see the view from up here. That's where the dam is. Actually went there and found some folks, some white man there fishing, and yeah, he was with his kid. They were enjoying fishing. You can see some guys there that are having a good time there.